Sub-Junior Goa State Championship, your girls team has won, sir. So what do you like to say about your winning?
Uh, we are part of Don Bosco Sporting Academy from Fatorda. We function from Don Bosco Fatorda basketball coach. Practices, training, all goes on in Don Bosco Fatorda. These are some of the girls who have been training now, you can say, for almost 5-6 years. Basketball is not something that you pick up overnight or you can just come on the court and play. It's quite a difficult game to master. And this is our under 14 team. There's Jaisal, this is Eva, this is Becky. And Eva and Jaisal have both been playing state championships. They have represented Goa. They have been playing for their school. They have represented our club for many years now. And we have just won the under 14 state championships. We won it last year as well. We won it this year, and if I'm not mistaken, even the year before last.
So this year's training session, how was?
We have regular training throughout the year. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, twice a week, we conduct coaching for 1.5 hours every day. And before a tournament, sometimes we conduct extra classes or we have more training sessions because we have children right from the age of 6-7 years old and we train right up to the age of 18 years old.
Sir, as a coach during the championship, what are the responsibilities you take, sir?
Basically, how to set our game, how to fit each girl in their respective roles, looking at how the other team plays, how to set our defense, looking at how the other team sets their defense, how to set our offense, and how identifying the strengths and the weaknesses of each of these players, trying to get the best out of them during the game.
So now your girls team has been on. What would you like to say about the opponent team?
Well, the opponent team gave us a good fight. It was just by 3 or 4 baskets. So they also, I think, must be having a good coaching setup. All the girls, 10-12 girls from St. Mary's, look to be been in practicing basketball for some time. So it was a good game. Overall, I think the best team won.
So do tell us about when your club was started and who was the main founder?
The club was started almost around 10 years back as a registered club, but we've been functioning as Don Bosco Oratory Fatorda for many years. Don Bosco Fatorda has been in existence for so many years. But as a club, as structured basketball coaching, the facilities have been set up around 10 years back and has improved ever since then. The new rector of the institute, Father Ralin, has also been very much involved. He also is he's a highly qualified WABC 3-level coach, so it's a good setup there in Fatorda.
So now how you see the growth of girls team in basketball?
It's good. A lot of Don Bosco girls represent Goa. These are all under 16 girls waiting to come for the open trials, and all of them have a good chance to represent Goa. So the team is good. There are good players from Tanjung, good players from Margao, and as a team they do pretty well even when we go outside Goa.
So as they now won the sub-junior state championship, so what will be next?
After this, the girls will be shortlisted from all the teams. The best 16 will form the team for Goa, from where 12 will be finalized, and they are going to participate. Where is the subsidiary? Andhra Pradesh, they are off to participate for the nationals in somewhere in September, right?
Sir, do tell us about yourself, your journey. You are now coach.
My journey started as being a coach for my children around 8-10 years back when they were learning to play the basketball, when they were learning to play the game, and I just enjoy it and have continued coaching the kids as they have joined.
So what would be your message from your side, upcoming students who are willing to be part of basketball?
What is the method? See, it's about putting in the hard work. So you just can't turn up on the court and think you can shoot the ball. You have to know how to position yourself on the game, on the court. You have to learn the different skills of the game, and then only can you play proper basketball.
Sir, your full name, in short about yourself.
I'm Royston Costa. I am from Margao. I am a businessman by profession. an engineer by profession, but this is my passion, you can say. So coaching girls, boys, we've got girls teams, boys teams. Currently our under 14 girls are state champions. Our under 14 boys just lost in the semi-final yesterday. Our under 16 girls are state champions. Our under 16 boys are state champions. Our under 18 boys are state champions. Our under 18 girls are state runners-up. So we have a good set of kids.
Your team has won Sub Juniors Championship Basketball 2026. So what do you like to say?
I would like to say that I'm very happy, and we put a lot of teamwork and all of us played very hard. We played our best. We didn't convert all the shots we tried, but we still continued. We continued to put in all our efforts and we played our best.
Other than basketball, any game you are...
Yes, I play in school. I play for Fatima Convent. I play throw ball. I play kho-kho. And yes, that's it.
What are the discipline in basketball?
I feel everyone should have teamwork and everyone should work very hard. Yes.
Any of national you represented?
I represented for the last sub-junior nationals and I had a very good experience.
After winning, how it feels, and what are you expecting for the next performance?
I definitely expect to score more, pass more, have better teamwork, work harder, go for practices regularly, and have fun while playing the game.
Any of your basketball favorite players from national or international player?
Yes. I really look up to Steph Curry, Stephen Curry. I continuously watch NBA and I look forward to continuing doing basketball. Hi, I'm Jazel and I play forward in basketball. I run the screen during the match.
So just now you won the Sub Junior State Championship 2026 basketball. So how was the feeling?
It was very exciting. We put a lot of hard work in this. We practiced every day and put a lot of hard work.
Since when you started this?
I started playing in 4th when I was 9 years.
So over there, how was the journey been?
It was good. It was very exciting. We lost many tournaments, we won many tournaments, and I got MVP once. Yeah.
What do you like to say about basketball court?
The court is nice. It has a free throw line, 3-pointer line, a paint area, then an outline.
Under whom you trained?
I train under Sir Roshan Costa and Father Ali.
You are a student. Which standard you are studying?
Now I am in 7th standard in Fatima Convent High School.
Fourth quarter of the ladies sub-junior championship. We've got Don Bosco for Thorndale leading at 21 against 14 from St.